It and Apos, as a quiet morning in a peaceful village. The sun is rising, birds are singing, and dew still clings to the tips of the rice leaves. A few cows walk slowly out of their barn. Their sounds are funny, some say and Apos, no. And Apos, while others sound like they're chatting with each other. They head toward the fields. Along the rice paddy paths, the cows walk together. One jumps a little over the wet grass, while another stops, distracted by a grasshopper. When they reach the field, they start to graze. The grass is fresh and green, perfect for breakfast. While eating, they play around, nudging each other or trotting playfully. The herder sits under a tree, watching peacefully. His cows are healthy and happy, that's all that matters to him. There and Apos, as also a baby cow joining the fun. Its voice is softer, but still funny. It tries to follow its mom, but tumbles into the grass. As the sun rises higher, the cows rest under the shade. After grazing and playing, they lay down and chew calmly. Life in the village is simple. But in that simplicity lies true happiness.